one thing in life that is more important, and the most important thing is that whatever people have done with you now, whatever, whether they have laughed at you, whether they have said shit about you, everything is going to bite on their ass. Remember it, like, nothing is gonna get passed through God. There's this saying, I am the karma, I'm gonna be the karma. Sometimes the things are not in your control and you have to accept it कि हाँ भाई ये सारी चीजें मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. Not control certain things. कब तक हम कंट्रोल कर लोगे उन चीजों को? कब तक नहीं हो पाता वो चीज कंट्रोल? पता है, sometimes you have to it भाई, you have to, like, really really have faith that someday, sometime, the moment you start believing in God, the moment you have that faith that whoever is laughing on me today, they are gonna get bite in their ass tomorrow. Even if it's not like literally tomorrow, but someday they are going to get it. Someday, some power, some deity, some power, no, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होगा that they are going to get their karma. They are going to get the the things that they have done with you. And it's not about, like, hawa mein baat. You have to believe it. You have to, and have to believe in these things, because it is going to happen. It is not out of bad intention. It is not out of bad intention, or like, कि हाँ इसके साथ ऐसा होना. But it's like कि I have been hurt. I have been hurt. I have tried to fix something. I have tried to fix a certain problem. मेरे साथ ये problem हुई है, and I have tried to fix that problem, and मेरे से अब ये problem solve नहीं हो रही है. So what you gonna do is you're gonna leave it to God, because there is nothing better and best than surrendering. And surrendering doesn't necessarily mean कि हाँ हर time you have to check, you have to think about that certain problem. Leave it as it is. Leave it. Like, how you leave, what you leave behind, what you surrender to, it is going to show its magic once you have let it go like this. Do not think about it. Do not worry about it, because the more you worry about certain things in your life, it's not going to happen. It's never going to happen. Whenever that thought come into your mind that okay, that thing, that problem is troubling me, say it, release it, say it to yourself. Go towards mirror, say it to yourself that whatever problem that I have, whatever problem that I am facing, I am going to overcome it. I am going to get out of it, and God is going to take care of it. People who don't believe in power, sometime in their life, if their consciousness allow, if God allows it, sometime they are going to realize there is this certain power in their life that they have to have, because nothing is working out in their life. The power is real, the God is real. No hate to any atheist, but I personally believe in power. I believe in universe. There is this certain power that is holding me, that is being with me, that has made me come out of my own darkness, my own mind, and it is very powerful, very very powerful. Do not take it lightly. Do not take it like okay, ऐसी हवा में बात है. नहीं, there is this power that is always there for you, who is going to guide you, who is going to be there for you no matter what. No matter in what situation you are, try it again and again. Pray to that power that this is what problem I am facing. Be specific about the problem. When when you're a child, child demands from the parents, I want this, and parents, when they don't fulfill child's demand, child gets very, they throw tantrums and everything. Throw the tantrum that this is the problem that I have and you have to solve it. Because if you can't solve it, give me the guidance to solve it, give me the wisdom to solve it, because I cannot handle it. I cannot handle it alone. There are certain problems in your life, there are certain things in your life that you cannot even talk about. You cannot talk about it to your people, you cannot talk about to your parents, you're not even your friends, not even your lover, no one in this whole world. The only problem that you have within yourself, there is this God that you need to talk about. And no one in this whole world get it, no one in this whole world is going to tell you the every solution to your problem, because there is some solution that comes from above itself, and that is going to lead you, that is going to help you, that is going to give the direction in your life. That is it. Just this is what I had to say for now. And I'll just meet you in the next video. Bye bye.